What are you doing, love? Well, this worked out perfectly. I was just thinking to myself, maybe we can find a campsite with little cabins or something, and then bam.
Oh, look at this little car. This little guy.
She's driving it, I think, with a remote control. It's a good thing he's not driving, because he has no idea. I don't know where these cottages... Oh, keep going to the right. Go to the right. Oh, they're cute cottages.
Right to the end?
Yeah, very last one.
What's the number?
10.
Oh, right there.
We were right at it, but you have to drive all the way around to get to it. Look at this, our own little parking area.
Oh, it's got a little deck.
This is perfect. You good? We can go fishing for some fishes with the net. This is a lot better than a hotel. I'm happy. I don't understand. Oh, just open the door, Brett. Oh, this is sweet. Look at it. Oh yeah, it's definitely an old school type cottage thing.
Hi.
There we go. We made it to Rocky Mountain House.
We were gonna go into the town, but we ended up finding this place. And it's pretty cute.
It's 2 kilometers outside of Rocky Mountain House. They're old, but I like them.
Yeah, it's nice. They have dishes and everything, so you just...
Yeah, we can cook our noodles.
Yeah.
Somebody doesn't like ordering food, so...
We were gonna order food.
She doesn't want pizza.
We had pizza yesterday, but we could stop somewhere on the way tomorrow.
We won't do that. She
just...
kids you by saying that she'll stop somewhere, and then you'll stop somewhere and she'll go, no, I don't feel like this.
I didn't want to ride back in the rain all the way there.
Into town?
Yeah. I didn't want to put the rain gear on, and then we'd get stuff, and then if we went in to eat it, we would have to rush and eat it instead of bringing it back. And if we brought it back here, it would be cold.
Complaints all the time. There's always excuses. But we made it. It poured when we got to the cottage. Like poured. Trying to set the bikes up. It was fairly wet by the time I finally got everything put away.
I was also out there, but then I got sent in.
I kicked her out because it was starting to rain too hard.
I'm pretty sweet, so
yeah.
No.
I'm very happy that we decided to come into town rather than stay out there, because I think this storm, when it hits those back roads, they're going to be mush.
Yeah, it'd be a disaster.
Yeah, it would have been a terrible ride tomorrow. There was, what did we do, 60, 70 kilometers from where we decided we were going to continue out.
Mm-hmm. It would have been so nice to camp in there, but then we would have regretted it for sure.
But tonight, noodles.
And cottage.
Yep.
We also have dessert.
Ooh. All right. Dinner time. Oh boy.
Did you check that?
Yeah, we did. A couple times.
You live here now? Oh.
Needed to be pushed here. Good morning. Welcome back to our channel.
Nothing is fast.
No.
Even
I thought we were talking about this on the bikes.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Why is this? We're doing this in the morning. Today's plan.
Yeah, today's plan.
So today, depending on road conditions, we'll take back roads home. Brazu Dam, Elk River Road, back down towards Rob. That's the plan.
The bike's almost kissed again today.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tanya's kickstand is 1 bolt hole. Drop it down 1 bolt hole and it falls to the left. You lift it up 1 bolt hole and it drops to the right, or opposite way. So I grabbed the bike this morning to put the bags on and just touched it and it fell over and tried to run into my bike again.
Yeah, it did it yesterday too. Just parked on the side of the road. Went to move something and it just, I went to do it with my tank bag.
Yeah.
And it just fell over and went onto Brett's bike. He wasn't very happy about that.
No. She broke her mirror again.
I just cracked the same spot.
Yes, but it was a good night, other than the bed.
That's super soft.
Yeah, the bed was like sleeping on a cloud, and I don't like soft mattresses.
Brett disappeared in the bed.
I wasn't a fan of it. So yeah, packed up, hit the road. And there we go. Oh, Brett, good driving. I was just judging the guy that was at the camp where we were leaving. He was on his own motorbike. He's wearing a pair of plaid pants and a t-shirt to go ride his bike around.
If I don't have gear on, I'm not going for a ride.
Yeah, it's not my skin that he's gonna lose if he falls off.
I like where all of my parts and my skin is, so I like to keep it that way.
Yeah, and there we go though. On the road again. And we have realized even if you're staying in a hotel or a cabin, it takes just as much time to do that as it does to pull over and camp.
It almost feels like it takes longer because everything has a place now when we're camping. And in the hotel or Airbnb or whatever we're staying at, it just goes in and goes wherever. There's not really a designated spot for it.
Yeah, we just kind of throw everything everywhere.
Yeah, it took us an hour and a half, I think, to get everything ready today.
But it all fit back on the bike, and we are off to the
Brazu Dam.
Yeah, that. Construction in town has screwed us up completely because I can't get down the road I want to get down. What is there, construction on every road in Rocky right now?
I think so. Maybe it's just getting us ready for Alaska.
I guess so.
It's pretty. Saskatchewan River.
Holy speedy Speederton.
Me?
It's only 90 on this road.
Yeah, I'm doing 90.
You're doing 98.
Oh, then my speedometer's right?
I don't know, we're doing 90 right now.
Yeah, I'm doing 98 on my speedometer, but it's 8 or 10 kilometers too fast, I thought.
Yeah, it used to be. What does it say you're doing right now?
98.
Oh yeah, so you're doing 91 right now. Yeah, so what were you doing before? 108?
No, 100.
Oh.
Horses. Oh, one got out.
Yeah, just a little mini guy.
He doesn't want to be in there.
Nope, grass was greener on the other side of the fence.
I guess so.
We find the best places for bathroom breaks.
I like it better if it's at the front too, because then you'd be able to see it if it broke off.
It definitely makes it easier to see what's going on.
I also realized that when we decide we have to pull over, I have to get prepared mentally, where it used to be stop signs that were an issue and now it's pulling over.
Driven past 30 or so turnoffs and finally managed to see one. Alright, I think that's good. It's out of the way. And then when it's stretched out, oh yeah, look like a little unicorn. Yeah, I don't really know where we're going. Brazu Reservoir. Oh, you can just turn off the road, go take a look at stuff. Turn left up here. Can you? Or nope, private property. Turn right. Yeah, follow that car. Go down that road. Not really know where this goes. It just follows along the lake.
This guy is gonna let us go.
Oh, that's us. Probably. I don't know. I don't know where to go. Just nice and slow and look back down the road behind you. You're not even turning.
I'm in third.
What are you doing, love?
I was in third gear.
I know. I seen you coming in super hot for the corner.
I don't know what to do.
Can you just turn to your left, turn to your right, sorry, and go back up that way and try it again? Maybe try doing it in first gear?
Maybe.
Just turn, like put your right foot down. We're not good at directions sometimes. There, now look back down the road towards me.
Ugh. I don't know why that was so difficult.
Good job listening to me.
If I put my right foot down, it was not gonna go up. I can't get it fully down because I'll drop it. Yeah, that's super annoying. Like I can't even get my foot down. Oh, this is cool.
Oh, that's where the dam comes out right there. I figured out I'm very agitated today. For one, well, Tanya's bike, I still have to fix the kickstand because everywhere she parks, the bike wants to fall over. But then we put this pole on, which I like. When I want to use it, I have to stop the bike, get off the bike, because we don't have a remote or anything, and for some reason that's bugging me today. Things are annoying. So apparently we didn't have to listen to those signs. Where we are, there's this campground, and then where we were was down this side road along the Brazu canal. But if you follow it down, there's a campsite there. We might go that way, be all off-road, give us a loop around a lodge pole. We could get some fuel.
We should have stopped at that one we passed then. That was a ways back though.
I guess that's where that never pass up a gas station when you're on the bike comes from. So I have to backtrack because there's a random saying that I've read that says when you're on a motorbike, never pass up a gas station.
We did.
Just looking at the map, and the Elk River Road that we wanted to go down is in between here and Lodgepole, and I don't know if Lodgepole has any gas. We now have to circle back around, go back 16 kilometers to that gas station, get some fuel so that we can turn around and go back to the Elk River Road. Fancy teepee here.
We're on the Elk River Road.
We're back on gravel again. I was just telling Dania that last time I was down this road, I was with the fire department. We came down because 2 people on adventure bikes wiped out. So we had to come all the way down the Elk River Road and do some first aid things.
This is the loose-ish gravel.
Freshly good for us though.
All the practice. Oh, hi. You parked in a hole, so maybe, yeah, I might need you.
You didn't even try to lean your bike on the kickstand.
Yeah, I just didn't want it to.
Well, you could try.
I could.
We found a spot to have a snack. This is at the Elk River Provincial Campground that is burnt down. I don't know when it burnt down. Did it say when it burnt down?
No, it was recently though.
The fire came through, burnt right through the campground, so the campground is not open. The other side of the road, there is this little creek. There's a camp spot right there. Nice crystal clear water. This would be a nice little spot actually if you came out and set up your tent over here. Oh yeah, somebody left some garbage here like normal. Get your tent up in the forest up there. Fire down here. And then you've got this, which I would assume is fairly deep, little swimming hole.
Rain clouds. Hopefully we make it home before then.
I've driven this road hundreds of times, and just yesterday when we were coming down here, we seen this cabin back here. Shorty's Cabin, Sturco Mine. I wanted to see what it was all about. There's a nice road in.
Yeah.
Let's go take a tour of this. Shorty's Cabin. I don't know if it's mile 47. Oh, there's the bathroom. This must have been like a woodshed or something, maybe food storage. They always made cabins so low back then.
Well, he was short. It says on the sign.
But even my grandparents' old cabins, the old ones, they were all built very short.
They probably wanted to use less wood if they could.
Not in very good shape, but there's the bed frame. So this must have been sleeping area, wood stove there. It was a big cabin though. We won't go in it because it's definitely falling apart.
Not going this way.
You didn't want to walk through where I was?
No.
Pretty cool. It'd be interesting to see pictures of this back in the day. See what it actually looked like. That looks like that would have been the entrance to it. Can you stand by that door? Even she would hit her head.
Shorty was shorter than me.
Yeah, she's pocket sized. That's pretty cool though. All these years driving down here and I've never seen this before. And now I've seen it. I like it. Hey. Well, that was pretty cool actually. I enjoy finding old cabins and stuff.
Oh.
Turn your bike off. I'm glad I was filming for that. I figured that was gonna happen with slow speeds and uneven ground. Oh God, no! Too far, Brett.
I think I just tried to go up onto here.
Maybe. Yeah, you should have stayed in the rut.
Yep, definitely.
Well, you should be able to get on it there.
Yeah.
You got your own bike or what?
Yeah.
She drops it and then I almost drop it.
Oh, it's very low.
I enjoyed that. Just get going and then stand up.
Oh, I didn't do that the first time.
No.
I'm glad we got out of there.
Yeah, I know it's going to be shocking to everybody, but it's raining again. Oh, it'll get some dust off of me. To home we go. We'll see you at home. Welcome back to our favorite spot.
Home. We made it home.
Yeah, I think we got here again just in time. I think I hear thunder out there.
Yeah, it started to rain a little bit. We were hoping it rained a little bit more so that we could get our gear washed, but I guess we're gonna have to do that ourselves.
Yeah. Well, no, Danny's probably gonna have to wash our clothes because I don't do that. I just ruin it if I do it. It was a good trip though.
Yeah.
For probably one of our last ones until we leave. Go through, organize everything.
It's that time.
Yeah, and get it all planned out. Make sure we have everything that we need.
Downsize a little bit on my clothes because I have to rethink them because I only get one bag.
And do the little things we have left over to do around here. And then it's time to start saying goodbye to everybody.
Yep.
And
Mosquitoes.
Go north.
Adios. So if you like this video,
please subscribe, follow, click like.
All of the things.
Yeah, the little bell will tell you if we put another video out.
Yeah, and you can follow our journey.
Now that you've followed us on every road we could find around here, it's time to head north and do some of that.
Helped us work out the kinks.
Yeah, we think we've finally learned kind of how to drive the motorbikes.
Sort of. We'll find out, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we'll see you on the road.
Bye.